We have a good video here. Close quarter combat in Bakhmut. 6 border guards of the Luhansk detachment held their positions and repelled the invaders' attacks for 3 hours. You don't fight with your weapons, you fight with your heart.
Yeah.
If you are thinking whether to leave Russia or not, then you have 12 hours left. Tomorrow, the State Duma will consider a bill on a unified register of persons liable for military service, according to which any person can become a deviationist. According to the new law, if you do not appear at the military enlistment office 2 weeks after sending and not receiving the paper summons, you will be sent an electronic one for state services, which will be considered automatically delivered. Deviants will be prohibited from leave the country, drive a car, make real estate transactions, take out loans. If there were democracy in Russia, then one could doubt whether the bill would be accepted or not. But the reality is that already tomorrow all men will have the opportunity to avoid being buried. Leave before it's too late. We all remember what happened to the cruiser Moskva, right? Ukrainian Ministry of Defense Reznikov hints towards much more, just waiting for the right moment.
Нюанси, які до сих пір невідомі нашому ворогу, а це означає, що ми можемо запропонувати їм ще черговий сюрприз на морі, чергову бавовну, пов'язану з їхніми кораблями. Ми просто чекаємо слушного моменту для того, щоб повторити цю історію. А можу єдине просто ще раз наголосити, підкреслити, що двічі за історію російського флоту протягом 100 років було потоплено саме флагман російського флоту. Перший раз це відбулося під час Україно-японської війни під Цусімою, другий раз це відбулося під час Україно-російської війни на Чорному морі.
Temporary head of Crimea, Sergei Aksyonov, says that the peninsula is ready for the Ukrainian counteroffensive. He adds there will be no catastrophe. That's interesting. They went from a 3-day operation to take Kiev to promising their people to avoid the catastrophe. When realization kicks in, even on Russian propaganda shows, Russian losses are bigger than Ukrainian losses, and that seems to be true.
В пятницу действительно мы отнеслись к этим материалам излишне легкомысленно. И почему это произошло? Во-первых, действительно, те данные о потерях, которые были продемонстрированы на документах, действительно оказались, скорее всего, прифотошопленными. Я нашел первоначальную версию этих материалов, и там, в общем, российские потери обозначались как в несколько раз больше, чем украинские, что, наверное, больше похоже на правду. По крайней мере, признаков фотошопа там нет.
Чего? Российские потери больше
для такого
украинских, похоже на правду.
Large armored attack by the enemy across open fields whilst being harassed by a Ukrainian drone. First tank in the video has a mine-clearing device attached to the front. Not easy to see, but it's taken out by some missile hit to the side. In Kherson region, successful landing of a Ukrainian FPV kamikaze drone on a Russian Kamaz in the left bank Kherson region. This is the footage from the place where in May 2022, Commander Lapin fucked 2 regiments on a pontoon crossing across Seversky Donets, near the village of Malaya Koklopidorovka-Belogorovka. At least 73 vehicles. He diligently made the crossing twice in one place, and only by a great miracle did everything work out with minimal casualties. Later, President Putin has appointed Colonel General Alexander Lapin as Chief of Staff of the country's ground forces. That's all you need to know about how incompetent the Russian army and its leadership are. Remember the attack on Ukrainian soldier by pro-Russian priests of the Ukrainian Orthodox Church? The Ukrainians are not forgetting. People in Ternopil set up a corridor of shame for the parishioners of the Ukrainian Orthodox Church of the Moscow Patriarchate, who came to the service on Palm Sunday. Ukrainian servicemen replaced the FSB priests who did not let the mother with the body of killed defender for a morning church service. Priests of Moscow Patriarchate were kicked out of the church. Short look into recent Ukrainian force generation activities, which have ramped up over the winter in the western part of the country. At the moment, it appears to be anchored on a 2-week refresher infantry course, with supplemental training activity at the unit level.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.